just hear something?
Like what?
Like that.
Who's making that noise?
It's coming from the top of the hill. Come on, let's find out.
To you too!
What are you doing, Oakley?
Shh! Listen.
To you too!
You're laughing at your echo.
And a very rude echo it is too.
Come on, Bluebird. You have a go. Shout something out.
I don't have the time. My flappy friend Manny is flying over for a picnic. Good day.
Easy does it.
So, why do echoes echo?
It's the noise you make when you shout, bouncing off the trees and hills, so you hear them again. Listen. Hello!
Goodbye!
See? It's the same. Wait a minute.
It's a very funny echo.
But echoes don't talk back to you. I need to investigate. Come on, Raggles. Where's the twooter gone? How did it get all the way down there? Hurry up, Raggles.
There it is again.
Oh, Bluebird, you know how to lay on a good picnic.
Hello, Bluebird. Having a picnic on your own?
Actually, I'll be dining with Manny, a birdie friend of mine. He is marvellous company, always making me laugh with his jokes and pranks.
Sounds like my kind of friend.
Well, don't think you're going to join us. It's a feathers-only picnic.
Are you sure you've laid out enough berries?
Oh, you could be right. But I'd better hurry. He'll be here in a minute. I don't want Manny to think I can't look after my guests.
Bye, Bluebird. Enjoy your berries.
Bye, Will. Strange. Oh, move, will you? Oh, very funny, Will. Ha ha.
Can you see something different about Big Bear?
He's wearing glasses.
What? Oh, hello, Rosie. And you, Raggles.
Did you know you have a pair of chalk glasses on your face?
Oh, it's funny. I didn't have them when I started my nap.
Have you been hearing that funny echo?
A funny echo? What's a funny echo?
Go on, Raggles. Show Big Bear.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear!
Well, I never.
Where are you, Manny? I'm getting hungry. Maybe just a few berries to keep my hunger at bay until Manny arrives.
Here's Rosie and Raggles. Could they solve the mystery of the missing music?
Hello, Saffy. Oh, what's wrong, Holly?
It's my recorder. It won't play a note. And it's really hard to blow into.
Is a recorder that doesn't play simply a stick?
Sounds broken to me.
Or blocked. Look, and I think there's something written on it. Ha ha, tricked you. I think someone is playing practical jokes on us all. First it was our twooter,
And then Big Bear's chalk glasses.
and now Holly's recorder. And who do we know who likes to play jokes on people?
Will. Are you the echo, Will?
Hark, I hear the call of a cheeky bird.
Well, I hear the call of a cheeky boy. Fancy out joking the joker, Holly?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, where is that Manny? Maybe I should even the bowls up a bit. Manny's looks far too full.
Oh, today has been the best day. Oh, what's that? Buzzberries. Oh, I love buzzberries. Ah! Hey!
OK, Rosie. Now.
He's missed them again.
Tying the buzzberries to the fishing line is such a great trick, Rosie.
Oh, stay still, will you? Okay, easy does it. Boo! Oh, very clever. Actually, I've got to admit it, that was a good one.
Not half as good as your echo trick.
What echo trick?
You know, the one where we shout. Yes, and you shout back.
Monkey nuts!
If Will is here and the echo is there, then...
So you didn't do it, Will?
Of course not.
Then who could it be?
I want to catch an echo, and I think I know how to do it. Can you keep calling to the echo, Oakley?
Yes, please.
To you too!
Follow that echo!
To you too.
There! Look!
So you're our echo.
Oh, hello. Yes, I suppose I must be.
You're Manny, aren't you? Bluebird said you were good at playing pranks. She was right.
Yes, I just can't help myself.
But shouldn't you be having a picnic with Bluebird?
Ah, oh dear. I was having so much fun pretending to be an echo, I must have forgotten.
You forgot Bluebird?
Oh, she won't like that.
Oh, better be going. Bye. Sorry I'm late, Bluebird, but I'm here now and I'm starving. I could eat a bowl full of... Oh.
It would be great if there really was a thingy that talked back to you.
What kind of thingy, Raggles?
You know, a what's-it that says the same thing as you when you shout.
You mean an echo?
Pardon?
An echo.
Sorry, I couldn't quite get that.
An echo.
Come again?
Oh, very funny, Raggles.